Hey everyone, welcome to the show. I am the City Escape Griller, and in today's video we are once again pitting the griddle versus the grill and making burgers. For the griddle, we're going to use the Weber Q. For the grill, we're going to fire up the Weber Kettle, and we're going to use hardwood lump charcoal with a chunk of mesquite thrown in. So we'll see what makes the better burger. Griddle versus grill, part 2. First thing we're going to do is light our grills, starting with the chimney on the Weber Kettle, and now turning on the gas and popping the flame on the Weber Q. And once the coals are lit, maybe about 10-12 minutes later, we'll pour those into the center of the Weber Kettle, add a chunk of mesquite, place in the grates, give the grates a quick scrape, place back on the lid with the vents wide open, and the Weber Kettle is ready to go. For the Weber Q, well, it's ready.
Here we go.
This could be another one of those.
Are you ready?
That goes in the files.
Are you ready? Let's get it all!
We're going to start out by adding a little oil to our griddle. Brush that around a little bit with a basting brush. And now let's add our burger. It's getting hot, folks. Over here on the kettle, let's add the burger directly over the charcoal. About 4 minutes later, it's time to flip the burgers. A nice crust is forming on the griddle burger. Look at all that smoke coming from the charcoal and the mesquite wood. You know these burgers are going to be good, but which will reign supreme? And about 2.5-3 minutes later on the second side, we're going to go ahead and add our cheese for 1 more minute. And then it's time for the taste test. Okay, these burgers are done. Let's take off the griddle burger. I'm using potato buns, and this is yellow American cheese. Now for the grilled burger. Griddle versus grill 2, which burger will come out on top? Okay, so now for the taste test. First, we're going to go with the griddle burger here on my right. Give this a taste. Cooked to about medium. I don't know if you can get a look at that. That is a juicy and delicious burger. Really great, fantastic. And now we will try the kettle burger. Give this a shot. Really juicy. Cooked to about the same doneness as the griddle burger. Actually seems to be a bit juicier, which is surprising. So I thought some of that fat would go down into the grill. But this is surprising. The grilled burger is actually juicier. Wow. That's great. It definitely has some of that smoke flavor from the mesquite, from the hardwood lump. Let me try this griddle burger one more time. Okay, so here's what I think. First of all, both are delicious. The griddle burger is very juicy and has that nice crust, but the grilled burger, in this case, for some reason it is actually juicier, which is a surprise. Also has a nice crust, and it also adds in that smoky flavor. So both are delicious, but I'm going to give the winner to the hardwood lump charcoal burger with mesquite wood. This, to me, is a better burger than the one off the griddle. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Leave a like if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And of course, keep on grilling.